Hey, what's up, guys? So I've had a few questions on how I line up my multicolor prints. So I made a little template here. It's just a piece of OSB with some ripped 2x4s here on the sides. Got a piece of poster board that's glued to the wood, and I made a transparency, and it's just for registration purposes, right? So when, let's say this is one of, so this was, I did a dragon a few weeks ago, and this is the teal color. So if I was to line all these registration marks up here, okay. I make sure all these are lined up. I would literally take my screen. Here, let me show you how to do it. Let me start over. Put some tape on the transparency. Now that it moved a little bit, I gotta recenter everything here. Now that all that's lined up, bring my screen to the edge, make sure it's straight, push my screen down, apply pressure, and now I have my transparency taped to the back of my screen, okay? I'll put a piece of glass over it, burn it, and there we go. So that's how I line everything up. So these marks are just for alignment. These are the only ones I actually use when I print, okay? So if everything is aligned correct, it should fall right into place, and all you would need are these two to make sure everything lines back up while you print. So if you guys have any questions, as always, hit me up. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks again.